What if you could sit down with your future self, the one who already built the life you dream of, and get their exact advice? Well, you actually can, thanks to AI. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to use Chatgpt or any AI tool to guide your mindset, unlock clarity, and help you take action today. Stick around because by the end, you'll walk away with one AI-generated insight that could completely rewire your path to success. 1. Why AI plus self-growth works. Here's the truth. Most of us know what we should be doing, but we get stuck in fear, procrastination, or self-doubt. AI changes that. Why? Because it's objective. It doesn't carry your excuses or limiting beliefs. It just processes your situation and gives you direct, actionable advice, like a digital version of your future self. And today, we're going to use that to spark your mindset makeover. 2. The AI prompt. Here's the exact AI prompt you're going to use. Write this down or copy it into Chatgpt, Gemini, or any AI you like. Imagine you are my future self who has already achieved success, confidence, and happiness. What one action would you tell me to take today to move closer to that version of myself? Now pause for a second and think about that. This isn't just advice. It's personalized wisdom generated for you. And because it comes from your future self, it bypasses fear and cuts straight to clarity. 3. The 60-second challenge. Here's how we're going to turn this into action. Open Chatgpt or whichever AI tool you use. Paste in the prompt I gave you. Read the answer carefully. Don't overthink it. Commit to doing that one action today. That's it. Simple, powerful, and fast. This is why I call it the AI-guided 60-second mindset makeover. Because in less than a minute, you'll have an action step from your future self, and you'll know exactly what to do next. 4. Why this works. You might wonder, how can something this simple work? Because clarity creates action, and action builds momentum. AI acts like a mirror, but instead of reflecting your doubts, it reflects your potential. Think about it. Your brain often lies to you. You're not ready. You're not good enough. Maybe later. But AI isn't influenced by fear or hesitation. It takes your goal at face value and gives you a straightforward path forward. That's the shift. One action, today, chosen by your future self. So here's your challenge. Run the AI prompt. Write down the one action it gives you. And then, this is key, comment below with your answer using the hashtag AI Mindset Makeover. Not only will you hold yourself accountable, but you'll also inspire someone else who might read your comment at exactly the right moment. And if you want more of these futuristic practical tools that actually change how you think, grow, and succeed, hit that subscribe button and join us here on The Growth Theory. Because your future self is already waiting. The only question is, will you listen to them today?